The topic is an interesting lecture and speed. The questions are when you heard who gave this lecture, what was the topic, explain why you think it was interesting. I have heard numerous speeches on various topics throughout different stages of my life. The most influential one which I can recall is that which was given by guest speaker Mr. Paul in our college last year. Mr. Paul is an active environmentalist and he is working for the protection of environment. The speech was on the highly burning issue acid rain. I think his speech was interesting because the speaker picked the topic which was full of information for the audience and it involved everyone. He was highly confident throughout his lecture and was passionate to share information with the audience. His style of presentation was highly influential. He mainly talked about effects of acid rain it causes and also suggested some possible solutions to overcome the issue. It was an eye-opener for me as well as other people attended the lecture. Firstly, he explained what is acid rain. Acid rain is that rain which is usually acidic, meaning it has low pH. Distilled water has neutral pH of 7. Unpolluted rain has pH ranging from 5.7 to 7. But if it has pH lower than 5.7, it is called acid rain. The speech more than enough information related to the topic. He told us that acid rain is caused by emission of sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide, which when react with water molecules in atmosphere results in forming acid in the form of sulfuric acid and nitric acid. He pointed out that we humans are responsible for acid rain because we are cutting trees, setting up more industries, and using increased number of cars, which are the leading causes of pollution and results in acid rain. Then he told us the effects of acid rain. The acid rain has adverse impact on our environment due to increased precipitation of acidic components that fall on ground, forests, freshwater in wet and dry forms. It is responsible for killing living creatures such as fishes in waters as well as plants and animals present in soil. Due to acid rain, water and soil becomes acidic, such as made of rocks, limestone and marble which contain calcium are more affected by acid rain. It also has serious ill effects on human health, such as it causes skin cancer, skin rashes, and irritation to eyes. The speaker explained various possible measures to deal with the problem of acid rain. Industries and automobiles are main causes of sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide. So according to him, smoke treatment plants can help to minimize expelling of sulfur pollution. Vehicles should be continuously monitored through regular pollution checks. The speaker also recommended to use alternative resources of energy more and he emphasizes on reducing use of private vehicles. I felt enlightened after listening to his spellbinding speech. I was highly impressed by his style of delivering the lecture, and I believe that the speech had a great impact on my life as well as on the life of others who were listening to him.